Hello, everyone. When we think about intelligence, we usually think about humans. After all, humans built cities, invented computers, landed on the moon, and somehow created social media. But here's a fascinating question. What animal would be the smartest if humans didn't exist? Would it be the mighty elephant? The playful dolphin? Or perhaps a creature so small you'd never expect it? Scientists have spent decades studying animal intelligence, and what they've discovered is truly remarkable. Some animals can solve puzzles. Some can recognize themselves in mirrors. Others can use tools, communicate complex ideas, and even plan for the future. Today on DH Discovery, we're counting down the smartest animals on Earth. And trust me, some of these animals might be smarter than your neighbor. Let's begin. Number 10. Pigs. Most people think pigs are simply farm animals. But scientists know something different. Pigs are incredibly intelligent. Studies have shown that pigs can learn complex tasks faster than many dogs. They can understand symbols, navigate mazes, remember locations for long periods, and even play simple video games using a joystick. Yes, you heard that correctly. Some pigs have literally played video games. Researchers have found that pigs can adapt their behavior based on experience and learn from mistakes, which is more than we can say for some people who still click suspicious internet ads. Pigs are much smarter than their reputation suggests. Number 9. Octopus. The octopus may look like an alien, and honestly, it kind of is. An octopus has 9 brains. 1 central brain and 8 mini-brains controlling each arm. These incredible animals can solve puzzles, open containers, escape aquariums, and learn through observation. Some octopuses have even escaped their tanks, crossed rooms, stolen food, and returned before anyone noticed. That's not intelligence. That's criminal mastermind behavior. Scientists consider octopuses among the smartest invertebrates ever discovered. Number 8. Parrots. Parrots don't just mimic sounds. They actually understand some of what they're saying. The famous African gray parrot named Alex amazed scientists by identifying colors, shapes, numbers, and objects. Alex could count, recognize differences, and answer questions correctly. Researchers estimated his cognitive abilities were similar to those of a young child. Not bad for a bird whose ancestors spent most of their time sitting in trees. Parrots prove that intelligence doesn't require a large mammalian brain. Number 7. Dogs. Humans and dogs have worked together for thousands of years. And that partnership helped dogs develop remarkable intelligence. Some dogs can understand hundreds of words, recognize human emotions, follow complex commands, and solve problems independently. The border collie named Chaser learned over 1,000 object names. Imagine remembering the names of 1,000 toys. Most of us struggle to remember where we left our car keys. Dogs excel at social intelligence, making them one of humanity's smartest companions. Number 6. Ravens. Ravens belong to the crow family, and they are shockingly intelligent. They can use tools, plan ahead, solve multi-step puzzles, and remember human faces for years. Scientists have observed ravens bending wires into hooks to retrieve food. They can even trick other birds and hide food strategically to prevent theft. Basically, ravens think like tiny flying masterminds. If ravens ever develop opposable thumbs, humanity should probably be concerned. Number 5. Elephants. Elephants possess extraordinary memory and emotional intelligence. They recognize themselves in mirrors, mourn their dead, cooperate with one another, and remember locations of water sources for decades. Some elephant herds survive droughts because older members remember where water existed many years earlier. Their social structures are incredibly sophisticated, and their empathy rivals many other intelligent species. The phrase, "an elephant never forgets," exists for a reason. Number 4. Dolphins. Dolphins have some of the largest brain-to-body ratios among animals. They communicate using complex sounds, recognize themselves in mirrors, use tools, and teach behaviors to other dolphins. Some dolphins use sea sponges to protect their noses while hunting on the ocean floor. Others cooperate in teams to catch fish. They even have signature whistles that function almost like names. Imagine introducing yourself with your own custom ringtone. That's basically what dolphins do. Number 3. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives, sharing nearly 99% of our DNA. They make tools, hunt cooperatively, learn socially, and solve difficult problems. Some chimpanzees can learn sign language and understand symbols. Researchers have observed them planning, strategizing, and teaching younger individuals. Watching a chimp solve a puzzle can sometimes feel uncomfortably similar to watching a human child. And that's because evolution placed us surprisingly close together. Number 2. Orcas, also known as killer whales. Orcas are among the most intelligent creatures in the ocean. They hunt in coordinated groups, develop unique cultures, pass knowledge between generations, and use sophisticated communication systems. Different orca populations even have distinct hunting techniques and behaviors. In other words, different groups have different traditions. That's incredibly rare in the animal kingdom. Orcas don't just learn, they teach. And that's a hallmark of advanced intelligence. Number 1. Crows. Taking the number 1 spot is the crow. Scientists consistently rank crows among the smartest animals on Earth. They can make tools, use logic, recognize faces, remember past events, and solve puzzles that challenge young children. Some experiments have shown crows understanding cause and effect. Others reveal that they can plan for future events. Remarkably, crows possess cognitive abilities comparable to great apes in certain tasks. And all of this comes from a brain about the size of a walnut. Nature clearly enjoys surprising us. From pigs that play video games, to octopuses that escape captivity, to crows that solve complex puzzles, intelligence appears in many forms throughout the animal kingdom. Humans may be the dominant species on Earth, but we're certainly not the only smart ones. The next time you see a crow, dolphin, dog, or even a pig, remember, there might be far more going on inside that brain than you realize. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because here at DH Discovery, we're always exploring the incredible wonders of our world. Thanks for watching.